Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is me, NomNomNom069, returning with another GDI Plus graphics tutorial. And today in this tutorial we will be drawing strings to our screen. And what is a string exactly? A string is just text. We're drawing text to the screen using GDI graphics. So instead of dragging a label onto the form, sorry for the slip up, what we can do is we can just do some text really simply. So let's just call string cat equals hey, I'm a cat. Pretty simple. We just make a string. And now we need to draw it to our screen. So right now when we run our program, we've got that fill rectangle in the background making it black, but we want to draw hey, I'm a cat from our string cat to the screen. So it's real simple. e.graphics.draw string, if I remember correctly, draw string. Now there's 6 overloads for this system, this function, and I'm probably not going to go over every one of them. Yeah, we'll do this one first. The third overload for the function. So string x, we can just put cat in as our string. System.drawing.font. Now fonts in C# GDI Plus graphics are a little funky. You can either import a font from your resources, or you can just use a standard font. Well, every form that you create has a font pre-built into it, so you can just do this referring to the form you're in .font, and there we are. It's standard Times New Roman, if I remember correctly. Brushes.white, we'll make the text color white so it blends in with the background. We'll just draw it at 100 just to be simple, and then we run our new program. Hey, I'm a cat, drawn right there at 100. We don't need to have a variable for our string. We can do hey, we're drawing strings, and then we run it. Hey, we're drawing strings. Let's just go look at the other overload for this function. Let's get this toolbox out of here. We don't need it. So we have our drawString, the third overload. Now there's a point F, if I remember correctly, for the first overload. Yep, point F, which just simplifies it from int x, y. So we can do string here as our string variable, our font list.font, our brushes.white, and then new point F. And then we can just give it an x and a y, so 100. So you can draw it with a point. You don't have to like just specifically put in the variable. You can set down the point as a parameter. And drawing strings, as you can see, is pretty simple. So in a game, if you're making a game with the GDI Plus graphics on C# forms, this is great for text. You could even kink out a little typewriter effect, which wouldn't be too hard. I've rolled one of those out before. They're really fun to make, actually, and once you see the result, it's really cool. Anyways, this is how you draw strings. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.